Kum ke jing Pyrshah ke GSU Kasil Zone kala penlong de kecung kelan mungor hakmat ke Office Additional Secretariat la ban kedo ba kidon hadu sispa prapamut ki kertong ki ban aireng hakate Elekshon MDC sya ke GHADC kentup i kertong bar Jylla usamla es moment Presiden ke GSU Kasil Zone habaikran bat ke kanhun utisan menne ke si ulai thu ba kanong rem ba kaseng ke yang na benta ke ni Elekshon MDC bonwan kalong na benta ban yadai ke jep ben garo lo ongru ba kaseng kan yang halo kan nurem kan omai la di bar Jylla ba kan yo asyimenta hakani Elekshon nomor kan kan kata jo di try muluk ke jep reu garu nakal yang kaseng kala kentu ya kasokar ba kan perkat thamai no nomor kan di ka kam im jong ke jep reu garu la da ailat ikiwi pat jep reu ban tuklar halo kariti ke dustur jong ke jep reu uni unong ilam kaseng ulo ong bala da kasokar kam sngap ya kan ke jingrawa kaseng kanang penjur susu ya ke ki pai ba.
So as you can see, we're having this agitation for inclusion of non-tribal in our GHDC. So we are quite unhappy about our leaders. So they have given allotment to the tickets to these non-tribal parties. So it hurts the sentiment of our Garo people, where you can see it's Garo Hills Autonomous Council, where everybody knows about it should be only for Garos, whereas the Sikh schedule itself speak that only tribals can only vote, and they can only be the part of our genuine people, that we can vote and we can stand election and we preserve the indigenous people of our tribe. So if the government doesn't hear our demands and if they don't do anything about it, we're planning to move on for something very big.